Hey family, I'm Coach T, and this is not just a presentation, it's a testimony. My sister Edie has lived her whole life with sickle cell anemia and had her first pain crisis at 1 year old. She has been hospitalized well over 500 times. But after a year of mitochondrial-based nutrition and consistent nutrient infusion, her labs now present like someone who only has the sickle cell trait. Today, I'm going to show you how we did it, and how you possibly can too. Sickle cell isn't just a blood disorder. It's a deep cellular power failure. The mitochondria, the engines inside your cells, can't keep up. That's one of the main reasons why you feel drained, inflamed, and vulnerable to crisis. But we learned something powerful. When you fix the mitochondria, everything changes for the better. This isn't just a greens powder. TruBody Greens is cellular nutrition therapy. Every scoop contains plant compounds that feed your mitochondria, regulate inflammation, balance your blood, and cleanse your organs, all designed for real humans living with real chronic conditions, including sickle cell. In early 2023, Edie was facing chronic pain, unstable labs, and the long-term toll of sickle cell anemia. She had already undergone 2 kidney transplants and has suffered a lot of neuropathy due to heavy pain medication use. For several years now, Edie has needed blood transfusions every 4 weeks without fail. But in August of 2023, we introduced my daily TruBody nutrient infusion process. Within 3 weeks, we noticed a difference, and within months, her red blood cell count rose, hemoglobin climbed, inflammation dropped, and the difference was night and day. This is what we mean by food is medicine. These 3 metrics, RBC, HGB, HCT, are major markers for a sickle cell warrior, and every one of them improved post-intervention. The ingredients in TruBody Greens directly support erythropoiesis, oxygen transport, and cell membrane health. We didn't hope for it, we tracked it. Sickle cell crises are triggered by inflammation. TruBody Greens uses compounds like turmeric and rutin to calm that storm. The result? Lower white blood cell count, reduced inflammation, and fewer pain episodes. Edie began to expand the numbers of weeks she was able to go without a blood transfusion from 4 to 6, and once 8 weeks between transfusions. Her hospital stays didn't just stop, but they did get shorter and shorter every time. Edie is a 2-time kidney transplant recipient. Her labs after the intervention showed improved filtration and lower metabolic waste, a dream outcome. We were no longer fighting to stay afloat, we were building strength. These aren't just numbers. They represent better oxygen delivery, more efficient energy production, and cells that can finally breathe. That means less fatigue, fewer naps, more life. This isn't marketing hype, it's a miracle in real time. For the first time since childhood, Edie's labs present like someone with sickle cell trait, not full-blown disease. The medical staff was speechless. We knew it was the TruBody Greens. This is the blueprint we followed. Each pillar is supported by the nutrients inside this blend. Each improvement measured and observed. Every sickle cell warrior deserves this kind of precision healing. To the community, I see you. I see the pain. I see the strength. But most of all, I see a future where we're no longer waiting for a cure, because we've found the path to healing from the inside out. You've heard Edie's story. You've seen the labs. But the truth is, the only way to feel what cellular healing is like is to taste it. I want to offer you a complimentary sample of the same TruBody Greens nutrient shake that helped Edie go from chronic fatigue and crisis to living with energy, peace, and freedom. 1 scoop a day. That's how it starts. Come experience it for yourself. This isn't a theory. This isn't a guess. This is a lived transformation. And now, it's your turn.